Hi, this is the Cooking Elf. Today we're making strawberry cheesecake shortcake parfaits. First, let's make the cake. I used vanilla cake mix, but you can use any kind you like. Start by adding 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, and a cup of milk, instead of a cup of water, as milk makes your cake taste homemade and keeps it moist. Then mix to combine. The reason I used an oil-based cake is that butter-based cakes will make your cake much more dense and dry, as butter solidifies when cold, while oil does not, and your cake will stay more moist and fluffy. Now that the batter is mixed, spray your baking dish. I use my 9x13 Pyrex to make it a sheet cake, as we will be cutting it up into pieces. Put it in your oven at 350 degrees for 28 to 30 minutes. While that's cooking, let's get started on the cheesecake filling. First, mix 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. To make it easier, leave it out on the counter to allow the cream cheese to get to room temperature instead of fighting it like I did with my mixer. Next, add a cup of confectioner's sugar and cream them together. You want to mix this for a good 3 to 4 minutes to make sure this is smooth. You don't want to have lumpy cheesecake. Next, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 3 1/4 tablespoons of lemon juice and blend. Lemon juice will bring out the flavor and give your cheesecake a great taste. Then add a cup of heavy cream. You can use a separate bowl and whip the heavy cream into whipped cream first, then mix it into the cream cheese mixture, but we have found that the texture is actually preferable when you add them all at once. Mix for 3 to 4 minutes until thick and well blended. Now it's time to check your cake, using a knife to see if it's done. If the knife is clean and not wet, it's done. Make sure to cool your cake and cheesecake filling for at least 1 to 2 hours. Then you'll want to cut your cake. I cut mine into 4 quarters and then slice the pieces in half. You don't need it to be perfect. It'll all fit to form. I used a 16-ounce glass to fill, but you can use any cup, glass, or bowl you like. I started it with cake, then strawberry pie filling. You'll want to use Walmart or Target brand, just not Comstock, which was nothing more than jam. If I wanted jam, I would have just used Welch's. Their strawberry jam is fantastic. Walmart filling is amazingly good. Don't let the price fool you. I then added the cheesecake, making alternating layers. You can fill it however you want. Just have fun. Then I topped it with some cake crumbs and whipped cream. I added a strawberry cream covered biscuit stick as well. It's fun to eat and tastes great. You can also eat the filling by itself. It's great for a cheesecake or just a snack right from the cup. Thank you for watching. Now here's the recipe card.